Let's do a Shadow Ops Corpus 70. First threat you face is there are a bunch of escorts that you got to get rid of. So, to get rid of them, we're going to send in a couple of Cerberus. Good right there. And then we'll send in all right. They're brand new troops. I don't even know where I got them from. Let's see what they look like. 2 Cerberus, 6 Buzzsaw, and 3 Artemis. They end up getting almost no damage. All right. Step number 2. With your envoys, you want to get rid of these guys, the Overwatch and the Rail. So send in envoys, shoot right in the middle. It'll clear the whole thing out. We're going to repeat it over here. Same thing. Once you get rid of them, you can send in your ground troops and clear the base. Good enough right there. All right, they're going. Let's see how much damage we got so far. We don't have much. $36 on our envoys. They're all repaired. 8 minutes total. What we got here? Yeah, next to nothing. By the time we're done, that'll all be cleared out, so we're not going to worry about that. All right, let's go in and clear the base. I'm going to get rid of the troops. So we will send in Jug and the Caretaker, Dark Storm, Sunder, and 6 Lancers. I'm just going to clear out these guys here. Just slowly move forward to where you can get them in the shadows. Because they get in the shadow, they are dead. Right there, should be far enough. Start shooting. There you go. All right. Over and get these guys. You want to get too close to that Overwatch. Just want to get it. There we go. Get them in the shadow. The rest of them will come. Do the same thing over there, but it takes too long to go over there. We'll just restart the base, and we'll save ourselves time of getting over there. We'll just come in again, and already we're halfway there. really is pretty simple. After we clean out these guys, we'll send in the jug and the caretaker, and it'll clear the rest. When we get down here, we'll use our envoys again to clean out the cloners. Don't be in a hurry, just take your time. All right, I'm right there for now. Basically, we don't want him, we want him. We want to get these guys just in the shadow. Close enough. Good enough. Now we'll send our lancers in to get their attention. Close enough. All right. Get rid of these guys. We don't need them anymore. We'll use the jug and the caretaker to do most of the rest. As long as you're careful where you shoot, you're okay. We're going to shoot right there. You shoot right there, and it'll clear out the whole front. Just wait, just be patient, and boop, gone. Now we'll go over here, we'll clean out this side. I'm going to shoot right there. Just be patient. Gone. Now we're going to go over here and clean out this side. I'm going to shoot right there. As long as you're careful where you shoot, no damage. Right there. All right. That's done. Now we will come back with envoys. And we're going to clear out this side and the other side. Use air to kill the stuff that kills ground. Use ground to kill the weapons that kill air. That's all I do. Stay away from these guys. They will shoot for envoys. Shoot these guys here. Over there. Treat them. Bring them back. What you can do is you can just take out the CC, because the CC will kill your jug. It's done with that. Send the jug in and the base is empty. Nothing in here will kill the jug. So we'll just send the jug in. These guys will only shoot air, so don't worry about them. He will hurt the jug, but we're going to come in at an angle, and when we shoot him, he'll die. Takes a little bit of time, but hey, all you do is do 2 of these, and you've got your shadow ops done. Oh, and no damage. You stupid thing, you do that every time. And let's shoot him. Just got to clean them out. We're done. That's it. That's how easy it is. All right, let's see what we got. We got a couple of reinforced. We got some quick handlers. We got some shells. We got all kinds of stuff. I've got so many weapons, I can't use them all. Okay, that's it.